Hello, everyone. This is Joe Freelanhoven, and today we're going to go over adding banners and text ads to any site. And it's going to be a short video. We're just going to immediately go to screen share. We're going to share the entire screen, and I'm going to go to. So in this case today, I'll show you, and this applies for any site. It's basically going to be the same thing you'll experience. But we're going to add a banner and text ad to promote Team Elite Home businesses and the site I chose today was Instant Cash Engine. So in order to get we're going to first add a banner ad. In order to get that information to promote a banner, we're going to go to Team Elite Home Businesses. This is our dashboard, and you'll come to this page and you click on banners, and when you do, all the banners will pop up. And in this case, we're going to be adding a standard 468 by 60, which is this size right here. And down here below, if I just open that up where you can see it, you have the banner link, which is on top, and the image link, which is on the bottom. And every banner ad will have two URLs. Will have the URL for the website that you're trying to send them to, and the URL of the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that image URL first, and I highlighted it, and I'm going to copy it now. I'm going to go over here to Instant Cash Engine. And most every site is going to have some place for you to add banners for doing advertising. And if you click on advertising here, the way this site is set up is that you can use your credits to buy banners, but we're going to scroll down here to where the ads actually are. And let me see if I have to buy some banners. I've got 10 banners to add. So what we're going to do, I'm going to click here to set one up. And you notice it'll tell you what size it is, a 468 by 60. And the banner name, I'm going to call that TEHB. Nobody sees that but you. That's for you to know what it is. The target URL is the image. So I'm going to paste that in there that I just copied. Now we want to go back to Team Elite Home Businesses and copy the banner URL, or the link URL, some people call it, which is the website that you're going to send them to when they click on the banner. And here it's called a banner URL. We paste it in there. Now you always want to preview it. So you click on preview, and it'll pop up here, and then something is amiss. So there's a case where I may have them backwards. You see there, I learned something myself. So what we're going to do is the target URL is the website target that you will be sending them to, and that's what I just copied. So I'll put that on where it says target URL. Now I'm going to come back and get this image link here. Come back over here, and the banner URL in this case is the same as the image URL. So every banner has two parts: the image and the target, or the link that is. Some people call it link URL, or target URL, or the website URL. The banner URL. The other one is the image URL, the banner URL. So and we're going to preview it again. Now you see it shows a picture. So there again, you see I have to do the preview myself because I had it backwards myself. And you won't really, to keep you from being confused, you always want to hit that preview so that you know it's working. So then you just click save, and it'll start to advertise that banner. Now, that's all there is to creating a banner ad. Is just go to that site, any site, and you'll find where it's usually advertising or set up banner ads, something of that nature, to tell you where do you put your banners to advertise. In this case, we've got to scroll down here past, and there's that banner is there, the one, and you could edit it if you wanted to. And next we're going to do is a text link. So what we're going to do, a text link is very, very simple. All it is a line of text and a link. Well, normally you use the same link that you used on the banner, which is your capture page URL or whatever it is, the link, the place where you want to send them to. So I'm just going to copy that. That's where I want them to go when they click this text that I'm going to put in there. So now I've got 10 text links. So I'm going to click here to add one. And it says put in the subject line. And I like to use general grabbing subject lines like this one. Number 1, home business solution. Something like that. And then I'm going to paste that URL right there and click save. And that's all there is to that. I'm going to go back here to advertising just to show you. And what you would do is just keep adding your banners and text ads, just like your banner ads and text ads, just like I've done. And there's that text ad here, and you could edit it if you wanted to, and it'll pull up the same as you had. And you could change that. You could change the words, the subject line, or the URL. That's up to you. So that's really all there is to it. In this case today, we were showing how to advertise a 468 by 60 banner at Team Elite Home Businesses, and put a banner and a text ad on Instant Cash Engines. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and stop the sharing. And a brief comment is when you do a banner ad, you make sure you preview it so that you know you've got it right. And a banner ad has 2 components. One is the link, the page, the URL that you want to send them to when they click the banner. And sometimes it's called the target URL, sometimes it's called the banner URL, and sometimes it's called the link URL. The other is the banner itself, and sometimes it's also called the banner URL. So that's where it gets confusing. So you have to click that preview to make sure you get it right. Usually it's called the image URL or something like that. But what it is, it's the link to the image. And if you ever want to know which URL is which, just simply paste it in the browser, and you can, and it'll pull up either the page where you've linking it to, or the banner itself. The banner itself will pull up. So that way you know which one you're using there. So the banner has 2 components. It has the image, and it has the link to the site where you are trying to send them. A text ad is much simpler in a sense. All it has is a subject line that is linked to the URL of the site where you want to send them. So you get your affiliate link in any site you're at, and then you create a subject line and just simply put your affiliate link in there and add the subject line and click save, and you're done. So adding banner ads and text ads is probably one of the simplest things there is to do, but a lot of members are confused by it, and I hope this clears it up. So thank you very much.